Hi everyone, my name is Jose. In this video I'm going to do an unboxing and installation of the Gaggia Classic Pro steam wand onto our older Gaggia Classic, which uses the stock steam wand. Most people like to use the Rancilio Silvia steam wand because it's cheaper and it works. However, we had it on our starter espresso machine, a DeLonghi, and while it does work, we didn't like that the flat sides of the tip, the milk would get baked onto it and it was hard to clean. Also, the new Gaggia Classic Pro steam wand is, we thought it was more beautiful, so we figured we'd wait. And I finally got a good deal from Importika. It's a Gaggia USA distributor, and so we ordered it. So let's see what it looks like. So, some pretty basic packaging. That's what it looks like. Let's take it out. I expected there to be a little seal here from the video, the Whole Latte Love video, where they show how to install it, but so that's interesting. We'll see how it goes. So, as I mentioned earlier, we're basically going to follow the video from Whole Latte Love where they showed how to install it. So, we have the screwdriver, 17mm wrench, a zip tie, a clipper, and the wand. So, let's see how it goes. So I'm going to have to take this off with the 17mm wrench and take this off. So this is actually making more contact than I'd like, but came off easy enough. I do have to take this off. So, that's what the old one looks like. See, this one does not have a rubber ring, so I guess I must have seen something that wasn't there. Should be okay then. Now, try to get this one in there. Alright, there you go. should be good. Okay. Let's see what this looks like. That's better. Well, now we just have to put the zip tie. Okay, so now I'm going to put the back cover on, the top cover on. This little thing came off. Okay. All right, so let me get some water in here and grind some beans and get back. Okay, let's see if we can make a single. Looks all right. Let me get the milk. So what we like to do is put the flavorings inside of the milk. We like what are called cortados. So just a little bit of sugar, and we put in some cinnamon. Sometimes we put in some chocolate too. But really we think that the flavoring should go in the milk. So let's wait for the steamer to come on. Another thing we like to do is we like to purge for the first cycle, just get rid of the water, because it does put out a lot of moisture. See, now you can tell it has less, it's not spurting out a lot of water. And I just wait for it to go off. And this is just for the first time. If you're making more than one or a few, then you just need to do this once. At least that's the way we do it. I'm really happy with the way this turned out. I was worried that this would be like have too much movement in this direction, but it's really just rotates this way. So let's try it out. Oh, put too much air. Let's see if the swirling action could help with that too much air. Get it incorporated. It's definitely nicer than before. Before I would have like a big clump of foam here, but now it's just like paint. So not bad. What do you think?